Hey guys, if you've ever thought of enhancing your home and garden and landscape with outdoor lighting, then watch this free consultation video. This is the same free consultation video that we offer to all our clients who are looking for help with their DIY landscape lighting projects. We're going to show you what are the best lights to use and the best locations to get the best bang for your buck, as well as how to create the best effect possible with those lights. So to get your free consultation video, email me your pictures at cal@lightingdoctor.ca or go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca, and be sure to check out our Try It Before You Buy It light, where you can actually get one premium grade fixture, and the King Innovation Insta-Light is a battery operated pack that allows you to go and test the lights out on your property before you make any big purchases. So hopefully you get some great ideas from this video. And again, to get your own free consultation video, email me your pictures at cal@lightingdoctor.ca or go visit us at lightingdoctor.ca and check out our Try It Before You Buy It light and see what's going to look great around your property. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you again after.
Hey, Chad, thanks for the pictures. Thanks again for chatting yesterday and for ordering the Try It Before You Buy It light. I will upgrade that light to the 7-watt one like we talked about, so you can see how it's going to look on these trees. But I'll give you some ideas, actually, what I think you probably should do, because these are such tall trees and you do maintain this, but it's a more of a naturalized area. We do this a lot in areas like this on acreages and that, where it's not really maintained, but it is maintained around the trees. I would still use the uplight like we talked about here. Obviously, we'd be upgrading the bulb. I think you need something a little brighter if you've got 100-foot trees in it. So we would do that, so that would change the price a little bit. But once you figure out how many of those you think you're going to need, then I can put together some proper pricing for you. But I would go with this light. But then how I would mount those, if you actually go to the second page of all the individual lights, so go to the website, go to build your own kit, and then this is the tree mount that I'm talking about. So basically the light screws right into there, and then this has a long screw in it that screws into the tree. And the way I would use that for yours is I would actually mount them on the tree, but even on the base, and have them shining up. And not necessarily just all at the bottom. You could have, because they are such tall trees, you know, maybe have one down here that's going to shine up this way, and then maybe you have one mounted here that's going to shine up into the tree this way. And you might want 2 or 3 of those on every tree. Again, same thing here. I think putting them down in the ground, eventually that cover is going to grow and cover some of that. Whereas if you can mount it actually, you know, a few feet up the tree, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to maintain around it. You're going to shoot the light that much further up. That's probably how I would do it. And I would do it in different tiers and different stages, so you get different levels of light. So, you know, you might have one down at the bottom that shines up, and then you might have one, you know, a little bit higher up that's going to get a different section of the canopy. Or even, depending on how close the trees are, you might even have them shining to adjacent trees to capture some of the ground cover and whatnot. But that's definitely what I would do. It's going to save you a lot of maintenance down the road. Plus, it gets that light a little bit further into the tree, a little bit higher up. And that's definitely how I would do that, especially because you have some of these, you know, big, beautiful oaks and stuff. It's a great way to do it. Again, if you had one kind of, you know, here that went right up the middle, and then maybe you have another one that kind of shines back this way, and using maybe 2 or 3 lights on every tree with those mounts. The reason I like those mounts is that as the tree grows, you know, you can just put a screwdriver in there and just turn it and back it off a little bit, so that, you know, you're continually letting the tree grow, and you're not going to lose that fixture or the wire or any of that in the tree. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know how things go when you get your Try Before You Buy It light. It is on the way today, so you should see that shortly. Any other questions, just let me know. Thanks, Chad.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching that video. I hope you guys got some great ideas for your own do-it-yourself landscape lighting projects. If you want your own free consultation video, like I said before, email me your pictures at cal@lightingdoctor.ca or go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca, and be sure to check out our Try It Before You Buy It light, again, where you can get one premium grade fixture and a King Innovation Instalight battery operated demo kit that you can go and test those lights out on your property before you make any big purchases. So I hope to see you guys again soon, and again, go get your free consultations by emailing your pictures or visit us at lightingdoctor.ca.